Medical device industry is evolving fast. Performance, compliance, and supply reliability matter more than ever. For implantable PEEK, the questions are simple. Does it meet global standards? Is it consistent? Is it proven in real applications? At Junhua Medical, we bring real answers. AKSOPEEK Implant-Grade PEEK is compliant with ASTM F2026 and fully tested for biocompatibility. NMPA Master File registered. FDA Master File submitted. ISO 13485 certified. Already trusted by leading partners and exported to over 15 countries worldwide. From pellets to rods, plates, and 3D printing filaments, supporting applications in orthopedics and neurosurgery. See us at CMEF 2026, booth 7.1 ZBO2. Let's connect.